Welcome to the video tutorial on the Fotorgear 400mm Telephoto lens, designed to unleash your creative potential like never before. First and foremost, we recommend mounting this tele lens on your smartphone's main camera. By doing so, you'll enjoy superior image quality and minimize the risk of image stabilization. Once the lens is securely attached, you may notice slight black edges within the frame. No worries. Simply zoom in manually to around 1.5x, and those edges magically disappear. If you happen to own a smartphone like the iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Pro Max, or Xiaomi 13 Ultra, boasting remarkable sensor capabilities, in good lighting conditions, we highly encourage you to take advantage of the 2x mode. These devices implement a groundbreaking CMOS lossless cropping algorithm, enabling you to zoom in without compromising image quality. While the conventional 1.5x mode lacks this algorithm, the image details may not be as good as in the 2x mode. If your phone, such as the Xiaomi 13U, features a variable aperture, you can consider reducing the aperture to achieve better image quality. Occasionally, you might encounter lens flares in certain scenes. Fear not, as these are a result of the lens's intricate prism structure. You can easily overcome this by adjusting your shooting angle or simply zooming in to 2x to avoid the flares affecting your shots. Now, let's talk about the ideal shooting distance. This lens is perfect for capturing captivating close-ups and intricate details. To optimize your experience, we have diligently optimized the module, allowing for an impressive minimum focusing distance of 39 inches. With the 400mm focal length, this makes it ideal for those mesmerizing close-up shots. If you want to capture a figurine, we suggest positioning yourself around 1 to 2 meters away, effortlessly encompassing the entire body while reveling in a beautifully blurred background that exudes an enchanting atmosphere. And guess what? You might even achieve a hint of gentle bokeh. Should your subject be petite? Don't hesitate to get a bit closer, immersing yourself in the realm of telephoto macro-like wonders. If you are shooting portraits, a distance of around 2 meters is suitable for capturing close-up headshots. If you aim for a half-body shot, slightly increase your distance to 3 to 4 meters. Placing your subject in the center of the frame ensures clearer facial details. So, let go of any preconceived notions that telephoto lenses are solely for distant subjects. Embrace the realm of close-ups and indulge in the mesmerizing allure of bokeh. So, don't limit your shooting range to only distant subjects when using a telephoto lens. Experiment fearlessly, and capture an abundance of breathtaking moments. Your journey into the world of mobile photography begins now.